frustrated with your computer? Is it broken again? Or stuck on a painful loading and error screen? When it comes to computer repair, don't trust this job to just anyone. You deserve an experienced repair company that will get you up and running as fast as possible. We would love to take a look at your computer and let you know the options that are available to you. We are the top local computer agency and skilled at resolving computer issues quickly. When your computer or computers are down, you are missing out on valuable time. We don't want you to get in the way of your business or personal life, so contact us today. We look forward to hearing from you.